Hello, my name is Lee Christensen and I'm one of the product managers here at Ransomes Jacobson. Just wanted to take some time to introduce you to the MP series of rotary mowers we're launching here and to take some time to explain the features of the first in the series, the wide area rotary mowers, the MP 493 and the MP 653. We started this design concept from the ground up with a long consultation period with customers, dealers, our own staff to make sure we had the specification right before we started. Born out of this was a big desire for productivity, so we've looked to attack productivity on all fronts through accessibility, service times, reduced maintenance, and of course in the actual work cutting itself. So if we start off by looking at productivity where it starts, on the ground with the cutting decks. The new cutting decks are indicative of the way we approach the design on the whole machine. Starting out with choice, the customers have the choice of widths of cut, either 3, 3.3 or 3.5 metres. You can pick your width of cut to match your available power and the application where you're using the mower. The decks themselves have been designed from high strength Domex steel, allowing us to take weight out where we can. We've moved to direct drive hydraulic motors for each individual blade. This has taken maintenance next to zero with no spindles or belts to adjust or grease. With that, we've also lost the top covers, making everyday wash off really straightforward. Where maintenance is required, we've made it straightforward and simple. All wearing and impact parts are bolt on for straightforward replacement. And again, where regular maintenance is required and you really need to get to the decks often, we've made it as simple as possible. A good example of this is the tilt up front deck. Another important part of staying productive is keeping the operators comfortable all day long. We've ISO mounted the operator's platform for a good base for a comfortable ride, and then the operator's station itself has been designed ergonomically with a fully adjustable mechanical suspension seat, tilt adjustable steering wheel and adjustable slim armrest. With everything in its place, you can fit operators of all sizes and give them a great view of the cutting area for long days in the seat. Another place for productivity gains is moving the mower from site to site and its accessibility. As you'd expect with a batwing mower, you can lift the wing units individually. However, what you'll notice about this design is the wing units fold within the front width of the front deck at under 1.65 metres. Allowing this mower to go places others simply won't go. We've also worked very hard to take out weight where we can, expanding the range of options you've got when putting this mower on a trailer for towing. When on the road, you also see the big benefit in these weight savings in much better fuel consumption. And of course, we've got the road legal LED lighting kits and mirrors for safe road transport. Now moving to the power plants for these productive mowers. If you lift the hood, as you can see, you've got an easy access hood you can lift from the rear and get into your daily checks easily, even with the decks up. For more thorough servicing, the side panels drop away and you can get into the filters along the sides. We've opted for two engine options on the first of these mowers. The MP 493 features a sub 50 horsepower stage 3A compliant engine, or you can go to what we've got here on the MP 653, the fully stage 3B compliant engine with all its clean running and exhaust after treatment. As you'd expect, safety is paramount on Ransomes ride-on mowers. Of course, we've got the foldable rock structure. I also wanted to take some time to talk about some of the convenient safety features we've got behind the control system on this mower. Starting with the electronic parking brake, which is easily applied from the operator's station. Next, moving to a new feature we've got on these mowers, electronic hydraulic deck locks. Simply applied via the switch on the operator station again, the wing decks are locked up for transport and will stay there even in the event of a hose failure. Under the seat and linked to the controllers, we've got our tilt sensor technology. This technology monitors the slopes you're working on, introducing warnings and then gradually intervening with the operation of the machine until ultimately stopping the cutters when you reach an unsafe slope. it will still of course allow you to drive safely off the slope and continue with your work. Hopefully you can see we've taken a practical approach to designing a productive mower platform that will serve the grounds care industry for years to come. Thank you.